Did you come on a bit strong with your person recently? Because there's an energy here that you are in your strength. You are a very passionate, feisty person who knows what they want. So did you come on a bit strong with your person recently? And has it caused a bit of a kerfuffle in your connection? Bit of a tower moment. Things are falling out. All those plans that you had, well, all of that's gone out the window. Hasn't it? Because perhaps you did come on rather strong with this person. Or perhaps it's just your natural, fiery, strong nature that this person is intimidated by, and they kind of fought you off a little bit. They fought you off and kept you restricted. No action taken, no steps forwards. They don't want to take any steps forwards with you. Oh, okay. Trying to keep you blocked, keep you trapped, but also keeping you from seeing something that they don't want you to see. And what is it that they don't want you to see? Well, they don't want you to see how intense their feelings and passions for you actually are. Because they are holding on to very strong desires for you at this time too. Only this is something that they don't want you to see. They know that you're their twin flame. You are their home. And they are still being a bit deceptive, kind of running away with what it is that they've been building up for you. They see you as the ultimate treasure, but they've been running away from you, not expressing their passions or desires for you. And that's because they were intimidated by you, because you are a very fiery and strong character, and you know exactly what it is that you desire. This is quite scary for this person. There's a rhyme. Perhaps this energy here has left you feeling like saying, up your bum with that thumb. Good luck finding your next one. Knick-knack, paddywhack, give your dog a bone. This old man comes rolling home.